Hey, I'm Danielle, and I am here to show you how to take really good pictures of your eye makeup up close. Now you're probably wondering, why the heck do your two eyes look so different? Okay, so here is why. I do a bunch of makeup collaborations on Instagram. If you find my page, you're gonna see them. Now, usually they're just an eye look that's inspired by something. So rather than doing both eyes the same look, I can bang off 2 collaborations in one night by doing one on each eye. Now, but what I want to show you guys is how you can take really good up close pictures of your eye makeup, because it is an art, okay? So I'm going to give you a couple tips. Tip number 1 is have good lighting. I really like my newer ring light. I got it off of Amazon and it's an 18-inch ring. It gives me really good light. I love it. And good lighting is great for good pictures. Number 2 is clean your lens. So lots of times on our phones, you know, I don't know, there's makeup on them, who knows. Just wipe off the end, because you would not believe how much makeup or who knows what is on your phone lens. The next one is a common mistake is people use their selfie camera. Now, your selfie camera, while it takes good pictures, does not take as good of pictures as your forward-facing camera. So this is your selfie camera, it's no good. This is the one you want to be using. So you might be thinking, how can I use that camera and actually see what I'm doing? So I have it on my front camera right now. What I do is I use a mirror. So here's my mirror. I'm going to hold this so that I can see my eye in there, okay? Oh, sorry, I wanna have my timer on. That's my next tip. Use your 3-second timer, okay? Because by doing that, you're not gonna have your phone get bumped while you go to take the picture, which is gonna lose the focus of your eye. So have your 3-second timer on. Then you're gonna have your mirror, like this. And I like to look down when I do my picture so that it shows off the eye makeup. I'm gonna hit my button. It's gonna give me 3 seconds. And there we go. So that results in a really good close-up eye picture that I can then crop to square for my Instagram page. So that's it. That is how I do my looks. So my tips are: use your forward-facing camera, clean your lens, get good lighting, and use your 3-second timer. Those are gonna be things that really help you to have good quality close-up eye makeup pictures. If you liked this video, please let me know by subscribing below, or like it or comment, and you'll get to see more just like this.
I dream